Hi, dear children. How are you? Fine? Very good. Welcome back to our 4th standard English class. I know that you are eagerly waiting to the rest of the story, aren't you? Okay. Before that, tell me, did you draw the picture and color it? Okay? Very good. Did you write the description about the picture? Okay, very good. Okay, dear children, let's go back to our story. Where our King Vidyadhara is now? Yes, he is in the garden. He is in the garden. Was he happy? No, he was not happy. The king was sad. The king was worried. Why was the king worried? എന്താണ് രാജാവിൻ്റെ ദുഃഖത്തിന് കാരണം? The king was worried because he has no children. So, who will be the next king of Gandhara? So, the king must find a successor. 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 So, the king must find a successor. The king must find a successor. Okay, dear children, do you know the meaning of the word successor? Successor means one who succeed. Successor means one who succeed. Okay? Now, the king thought he got an idea. What was the idea? തൻ്റെ പിൻഗാമിയെ കണ്ടെത്താൻ രാജാവ് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച ഐഡിയ എന്തായിരിക്കും? Do you want to know that? Okay, read it and find it yourself. Did you get the king's idea? Okay, I'll read for you. Listen carefully. Look at your text and read it carefully with me. A proclamation. To find a successor, the king thought of an idea. He decided, I will distribute some seeds to all the children in the country. The child who grows the biggest, healthiest plant will become the prince or the princess. They can take 3 months for it. The king ordered his minister to give a proclamation. Okay, children, can you say now what was the king's plan? Yes, he decided to what? See, I will distribute some seeds to all the children in the country. The child who grows the biggest, healthiest plant will become the prince or the princess. They can take 3 months for it. Okay, dear children, വിദ്യാധര രാജാവ് ചെടി വളർത്തി വലുതാക്കാൻ എത്ര സമയം കൊടുത്തു? Which line tells you that? Yes, good. Find it. They can take 3 months for it. Okay, dear children, look at the title. Read it. What is it? Yes, a proclamation. A proclamation. Dear children, do you know the meaning of proclamation? Do you know? Yes, announcement of the king's order. Proclamation means announcement of the king's order. Which are the other difficult words? Decided, distribute, successor, country, prince, princess, biggest, healthiest. Dear children, write these words into your notebook and study well. Okay? Dear children, did you get the idea of this part of the story? Have a look at the main ideas once again. The king got an idea. He decided to distribute seeds to all the children. The child who grows the biggest plant will become the next king. The king ordered his minister to give announcement. Dear children, did you get the idea now? Very good. King Vidyadhara ordered his minister to give an announcement. വിളംബരം നടത്താൻ രാജാവ് മന്ത്രിയോട് കൽപ്പിച്ചു. നമുക്കും ആ വിളംബരം ഒന്ന് കേട്ടാലോ?
Ladies and gentlemen, proclamation from King Vidyadhara. The king decided to distribute some seeds to all the children in the country. The child who grows the biggest, healthiest plant will become the prince or the princess. All of you are requested to come to the palace on 15th June 2021 at 10 a.m. The seed distribution will be done by the king himself. Thank you. Long live King Vidyadhara.
Dear children, did you hear the proclamation? എന്തിനാണ് രാജാവ് ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു വിളംബരം നടത്തുന്നത്? യെസ്, ജനങ്ങളെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ അറിയിക്കാൻ, അല്ലേ? വിവരങ്ങൾ അറിയിക്കാൻ മറ്റെന്തെല്ലാം മാർഗങ്ങളാണുള്ളത്? നാം എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് ഉപയോഗിക്കാറ്? Can you say? Okay, TV, then newspaper, then say aloud. Okay, very good. Notice. Dear children, have you ever seen a notice? I have a notice with me. You can see this. Okay, what are the features of a notice? Yes, a heading in bold letters in the middle. Then date when the notice is prepared. Then saluting the person who receives the notice. Then content. It includes the matter, venue, date, etc. Then what? Yes, the name and the signature of the sender. The notice has a beautiful layout also. Okay children, can you make a notice yourself? Okay, take your text, page number 22, activity first. The child who grows the biggest, healthiest plant will become the prince or princess. The king ordered his men to prepare a notice for this announcement. Help them to draft it. Dear children, can you help them to prepare a notice? Okay, very good. Okay dears, today we have 3 tasks. read the story, prepare a notice, study the words. Okay, children, do it and send it your teacher. Okay? See you in the next class. Till then, bye bye.